Hi everyone, welcome to day 13 of 30 Faces in 30 Days. Today I picked a photo that I've had in my sketchy queue for a long time. And I picked it because I wanted to do another funny facial expression with my ballpoint pens on my tone paper. And I thought it would work very well with this one, and mostly because I also use a white colored pencil and the white of the eyeballs usually stands out a lot and it makes the face stand out on this paper. So I get started with my big pens, and while I really wanted to just make a quick sketch and really force myself to go as fast as I could and not add too many details, I ended up really being in the zone and I was enjoying myself so much that next thing I knew, about 3 hours later, I had added so many details that it was far from being a quick sketch. But I'm really glad that I had the time to do that and that I just kept going, because not only did I enjoy myself, I'm very, very happy with the result. Alright, that's it for today. I'll let you watch the rest of the video, and I'll see you tomorrow with day 14. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye-bye.